Hey guys, so today I have a fun DIY. I'm going to show you how to make emoji slime. If you're not already subscribed, please do so for more fun DIYs. So for this slime, I'm just going to use a basic recipe that is all over Pinterest. It is a half a cup of clear school glue and a half a cup of liquid starch. I just poured those into a bowl and mixed them together. To make it yellow for the color of the emojis, what I used was this washable paint. I just picked this up at Walmart. I just spooned a little bit of that in there and then stirred it up. Once all the ingredients were mixed together, I let it set for about 5 minutes. While it was sitting for its 5 minutes, I picked up some of these round clear jars at Hobby Lobby, and I just am going to decorate it with an emoji face. You can do any kind of emoji face that you would like. Here is my slime after it had set for 5 minutes. And I also realized that if you want to fill up one of these jars, you will actually need to use 1 cup of glue and 1 cup of liquid starch. So that's what I did here. And then you can just put that into your jar and you can have your emoji slime. And if you want something different to do with your emoji slime, you can cut out different faces and put those onto your slime. The other thing I did was I took a bowl and I put it over the top. I removed the slime around the outside and then I had a circle emoji. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial on emoji slime.